he is pitching, but not a lot. He's a closer, so they'll use him to maybe twice in that team, which is actually really nice. He's been going back and forth between first and third, which has been great. He's always playing. He's always hitting. He's always playing.
Yeah, that's it. Traveling around and he's not playing.
Yeah, that would be. And that's not ever really happened to us.
Too big of a roster.
No, and they did that. That's why they have teams that they have so small. Turns out they could.
Oh, shit, no. That's hard. I just realized that.
Oh.
Come here. Hey, get your lead off man right here. Good. Go, Bob, right here. Stop, boy, your lead.
Yeah.
All right. Hey, one pitch right here. Let's go. Right now. Let's go. Go.
They were in a real easy life.
Hey, one spot. Let's go.
Yeah, I think that's it. From here on out.
Thanks for the game changer.
Hey! Let's go, Owen.
Let's go. Get on your toes, defense. See ya. Up, boy. Hey, good fight. We're ready. Let's go. Let's go, Owen. Come on.
Go, Blaze.
Hey, we got no one. Let's go. If you're gonna run me out, let's say you need to put down upon your right. Let's go, Blaze. Come on. Don't worry about him. Let's go. Oh, yeah! Hey, back, kid. Let's go, Blaze, right here. Come on. You got there, Emerald. Go! Let's go, Timmy. See ya!